Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a health trade license in Delhi. First, confirm which municipal authority, like MCD or NDMC, governs your business location. Next, decide if you need a new license, a renewal, or a transfer. Finally, create an account on the relevant municipal portal to start your application process. This initial step ensures you are on the correct platform and understand the specific requirements for your trade. Gathering the correct documents is crucial for a smooth application. You will need identity proof for the applicant, such as an Aadhaar card or PAN card. Also, prepare proof of your business premises, which could be a rent agreement, lease deed, or a recent electricity bill. Depending on your business type, you might also need a site plan, an FSI license for food-related businesses, and a fire no objection certificate. Ensure all documents are clear and current. Once your documents are ready, proceed with the online application. Carefully fill out the form, providing accurate details about your business and its address. Double-check all entries before moving forward. Next, upload each required document to its respective section on the portal. Finally, complete the process by paying the applicable license fees online. Remember to save your application reference number for future tracking and download your payment receipt. Understanding the fees and renewal process is vital. License fees are not fixed. They depend on your specific business category, the size of your premises, and the municipal area. It is crucial to renew your license at least 30 days before its expiration date to prevent late fees or other penalties. Always keep copies of your application and payment receipts. For more helpful resources and to find great deals, including the Owala water bottle, make sure to check the description below this video. We've got you covered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.